This comes with an instruction manual, registration card, cautions and request info sheet, quick start card, spatula, and a 47-inch power cord. This is the all-new Zojirushi Induction Heating Rice Cooker and Warmer. This is a totally new design for simplicity and modern look. This design makes it easy to clean and it has an integrated steam cap. This model of rice cooker, you're able to steam foods. It comes with a steaming tray that is BPA free. This custom cooking pan has water measure lines for all menus. It also has double non-stick coating for easy cleanup. This is what the inside looks like. This is the inner lid, must be cleaned after each use. This looks sleek and elegant. This advanced rice cooker has 12 menu settings.